Hey babes, Beth is giving us some hairdo inspo, so make sure to keep watching. Starting the first one by parting the front section of the hair. Take the hair from the sides and braid it on the back. Pulling the strands out a bit to give more volume. Wrap the end and place it underneath. Securing the hairdo with bobby pins. Working with the front strands now. Curling the front strands a bit. What a beautiful and simple hairstyle! Moving to the second one by parting the front hair again. Taking small strands of hair on the top and then braiding. Braiding around the back of the hair. Repeat the same on the other side. Loosening the loops a bit and then placing them into a low bun. Using bobby pins to secure the hair. Curling the front strands. Adding the front strands to the hairdo as well. Absolutely gorgeous! Last but not least, placing all the hair into a low ponytail. Weaving the ponytail hair into the back of the head and then braiding the ends. Securing and perfecting it. Stunning!
Are you up for a lovely low bun updo? Split the ponytail in two and start twisting. Now wrap it around the base. Pretty to see and easy to do. Such a romantic hairstyle. Curve this part to the other side and conceal it. Loosen the hair for a natural and effortless look. Beautiful! Coming in with an easy hairstyle for short hair. Simply pull the hair through and loosen the strands. Repeat this a few more times. Or you can leave the hair like this. Totally your choice. One thing's for sure, this is about to be your favorite hairstyle. This is easier to create than you think. so very charming. Pay close attention to this one. This hairstyle is called the knotted braid. You should definitely try this look. See the pattern forming? You can stop whenever you want. This is such an upgrade from our go-to 3-strand braid. If you think you have enough knots, take a hair strand and wrap it around. And that's pretty much it.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun's that you asking me to come through, pick it with you, night until morning too. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know